Okay, we'll start with the Mustard C49S size 10. This is the no hackle merger. We've got sheer 14/0 tan up here. I just want to go a little ways down. Remove that. Go to about there. And we want to just 4 or 5 strands of white parapost for the shuck. We'll just catch that in. Make 2 or 3 turns. We fold that over. Go down into the hook bend. Like so. That's good enough. And we just go back up. Just to even out the body. Up to the thorax. Back down again. Oops, to about there. Then we can trim off the trailing shuck. This should be about half the hook shank length, just like that. And we've got some dark tan superfine dubbing. We just catch this in at the top and we'll push it up. Give it a couple of turns and then we'll tighten all the other dubbing up into a nice tapered dubbing noodle. Very good. And then we can start right at the hook base, at the tail base, keeping the dubbing tight all the time. I want a segmented body here. Is good. Keep on going. Tighten up the dubbing again. It gets thicker as we come to the thorax. Go back. Perfect. Then we can just move that forward. Then we have a section of grey parapost that will just hook under the hook shank like so. I just need to tighten everything up. There we are. So I need to go forward a little bit and get that correctly on. Oops. There we are. And then we'll go back like so. Perfect. We want this in 2 sections, one each side, just like that. Very good. And we have a white piece of parapost which we want to tie in as a bow tie, tight into the grey. We just go over there once like that. We'll pull that one back into there like that, and we can just secure it. Excellent. And we have a peacock herl which will tie in there at the rear of the wing. Just secure it forward. And what we've got is these new Vineyard booby eyes. We just need one of those. So we take one of these, our scissors, and we just trim off one of the eyes, like so. And then we want to tie that in right on top of the wings. That's great, that's good. And then we can go forward, a little bit too long that, so I'll just pull that off, go forward. Excellent. Then what we do is we'll need, I'll just trim a bit of that peacock off, we'll put our hackle plier on the peacock curl. This makes things easier. We want a turn behind the white parapost wings. Like so, and then we can go under and get one more in there, like so, and then forward. Tie that off. And remove that. Excellent. These should be central to the booby eye, as you can see. And then what we do is we separate, there's a dubbing needle, the two grey paraposts into their separate parts, and then we take those under the wings. Separate those up. There we go. Take that one first, over the top. That's good. And then under the wings with that side. Like so. Trim all that off. Start at the hook eye. And we just go to form a head with finisher. Remove that. Then we spread our wings. By pulling them out under each side of the booby eye. Then we gather them all up and we trim them off. A straggler there. And that's the finished no hackle emerger, and it sits beautifully in the surface. If you enjoy the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.